The role of regulatory compliance in federated data governance. In the realm of data governance, regulatory compliance plays a crucial role in ensuring that organizations adhere to various laws, regulations, and industry standards related to data privacy, security, and usage. In this part of the course, we explore the significant role of regulatory compliance within the context of federated data governance. Understanding regulatory compliance. Relevant regulations can vary based on the industry, geographical location, and specific organizational requirements. Regulatory compliance refers to the adherence of an organization to relevant laws, regulations, and standards that govern the handling, storage, and usage of data. Federated data governance involves the distribution of decision-making authority across different entities within an organization. Regulatory compliance helps ensure that these entities collectively comply with legal and industry requirements related to data governance. The role of regulatory compliance in federated data governance includes data privacy protection, data security, data governance practices, and risk management. In a federated data governance setup, compliance with data privacy regulations ensures that proper safeguards are in place to protect user privacy across the entire data ecosystem. Regulatory compliance frameworks often define specific requirements for the protection of personally identifiable information, PII, and other sensitive data. Regulatory compliance emphasizes the implementation of robust security measures to protect data from unauthorized access, breaches, and other security threats. Adhering to regulatory requirements for data security ensures that federated data governance systems include appropriate security controls and auditing mechanisms to safeguard data assets. Regulatory compliance frameworks often outline guidelines for establishing effective data governance practices. These practices include defining roles and responsibilities, setting up data quality controls, implementing data lifecycle management processes, and ensuring accountability at different levels of the organization. Compliance with these guidelines fosters efficient and standardized data governance across federated environments. Regulatory compliance frameworks help organizations identify and mitigate potential risks associated with data governance. By adhering to regulatory requirements, federated data governance initiatives can proactively address risks related to data privacy, security, and compliance. Compliance also ensures that organizations are prepared to handle any potential legal or reputational consequences of non-compliance. To effectively implement regulatory compliance within a federated data governance framework, organizations can follow these best practices. Understand applicable regulations. Establish data governance policies. Regularly assess compliance, employee training, and awareness. Collaborate with legal and compliance teams. Thoroughly research and understand the relevant regulations, laws, and industry standards applicable to your organization and industry. This knowledge will help you align your federated data governance efforts with the specific compliance requirements. Data governance policies. Policies should clearly define roles, responsibilities, processes, and controls to ensure compliance within the federated data governance framework. Develop comprehensive data governance policies that address regulatory compliance requirements. Conduct regular assessments to ensure ongoing compliance with regulatory requirements. Establish a robust monitoring and auditing system to track adherence to compliance guidelines and identify any areas that require improvement. Create a culture of compliance within the organization to ensure that all stakeholders are aware of their responsibilities. Provide regular training sessions to employees to educate them on regulatory compliance and its importance within the federated data governance framework. Work closely with the organization's legal and compliance teams to ensure that all aspects of regulatory compliance are appropriately addressed within the federated data governance structure. Seek their guidance and expertise to optimize compliance efforts. In conclusion, implementing regulatory compliance in federated data governance involves understanding applicable regulations, establishing data governance policies, regularly assessing compliance, providing employee training, and collaborating with legal and compliance teams. Regulatory compliance is an essential component of federated data governance. It is important to adhere to relevant laws, regulations, and standards in order to ensure the protection of data privacy, security, and governance practices within a federated data ecosystem.